316 Waste Solutions is a trusted provider of efficient waste management solutions specializing in affordable dumpster rentals. With a commitment to environmental responsibility and customer satisfaction, our company strives to meet the diverse needs of businesses and homeowners in Wichita, Kansas. We understand the importance of proper waste disposal, and our range of dumpster rental options ensures a convenient and cost-effective solution for projects of all sizes. For inquiries or to schedule a dumpster rental, don't hesitate to contact us at 316-295-2232. Our dedicated team is ready to assist you in selecting the right dumpster size for your specific needs. At 316 Waste Solutions, we take pride in offering reliable and punctual services to our valued customers. Visit our website at 316wastesolutions.com to explore our dumpster rental services and access valuable resources for proper waste management practices. As a leading waste management company in Wichita, we prioritize transparency and affordability. Choose 316 Waste Solutions for reliable and budget-friendly dumpster rentals, making waste management in Wichita, Kansas a hassle-free experience.